It is here Blackbraid 2 has arrived. One of the highest anticipated follow-ups in the realm of black metal is finally here. The strength of the debut from this little-known Adriatic mountain-based polymath known as John Krieger took the extreme metal world by storm last year.
John's knack for weaving gorgeous folk melodies, storming percussion, and hooky arpeggios with the occasional flute solo was reverent to the genre, yet full of freshness and vitality. On top of all this, lyrics steeped in the beauty of nature and the struggles of the ancient Native American tribes gave Blackbraid 1 a depth that few artists in the genre are able to conjure.
As you guys probably suspected, Blackbraid 2 delivers the goods again. Flute-adorned folk instrumentals like Spell of Moon and Earth and Celestial Passage drink from the same well as the early Ulver records. Melodies nothing short of hypnotic.
Lyrically, this is a fastball down the middle metal fare, like a sacred bind amongst wolf and his man, to honor and carry the hearts of each other. As long as I live, I give my life for his. Dagon of Inquisition fame still seems a touchstone in the Blackbraid repertoire, the layered bell-like guitars ringing in The Spirit Returns and The Wolf That Guides the Hunter's Hand. The album is over an hour of music, even including a stunning 8+ minute cover of Bathory's A Fine Day to Die.
Wow, that's from Blood, Fire, Death. Impeccable taste. This is one that I'll be absorbing for months to come, but my money right now is on the standout that Stacy played for me initially after running, Twilight Hymn of Ancient Blood. It's 4 minutes of crawling up a snow-covered mountainside amidst gorgeous ringing guitar fills. And then all of a sudden, the song changes direction into pure creator-style thrash circa 1988. Even the vocals change. It's crunchy as all get out with wailing, pointy guitar leads and dive bombs. Incredible stuff. So I say, slaughter the fatted Kardashian. Blackbraid has returned. This is Twilight Hymn of Ancient Blood. Hail the yarn.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.